Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking Dream with Tabi. So today's video is on how to make dates milkshake at home easily with just few ingredients. It is super healthy and very tasty. So make sure you subscribe to my channel now. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe now. And so these are the ingredients required. So a scoop of ice cream, which is an optional, dates, which is must, so that is the hero ingredients of our dish, some water, 3 to 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and iced milk. So make sure whenever you make a milkshake, use iced milk. So I have kept the raw milk into the freezer for an hour, and once you take it out, it will be in this consistency. So now what we need to do is take a jar, add in a bowl of dates and add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Add in some water just to make it easy to blend, and close this up and make a paste out of it. So water needs to be added as per the consistency that you get. So this is the consistency that you require at the end. So take it out into a bowl. So this can be freezed for up to 2 weeks, and if you are refrigerating it a week, you can refrigerate and use it up. So now we are taking a glass of milk here. So the pulp which we made just now, this can be freezed and used to make milkshake whenever you want. So now take a juicer. Now add in the glass of milk into it, and 3 heaped spoons of the date pulp. So once you have added the dates pulp into it, now add in the powdered sugar. So meantime you can even add some chopped nuts here, but this is totally a date milkshake. So now add in a scoop of ice cream. So this is something optional. You can use fresh cream also. So blitz this up and our milkshake is ready. So once you have blended it, you'll get the milkshake, and now we'll garnish our glass. So this is something very simple and easy garnish. So just onto the edges apply the dates, the pulp that we made earlier, and now pour in the milkshake. So you can see how thick and how creamy the milkshake is. So the milkshake is ready. Add in a scoop of ice cream on the top. So garnish can be anything, like you can add chopped nuts, chopped dates, ice cream, a scoop of ice cream, or just cream. So now I'm adding just half a teaspoon of the pulp on the top as a garnish, and our milkshake is ready to be served. So serve this chill. Do try once guys, and whenever you feel like making a milkshake, just get this pulp ready in hand, freeze it up. Whenever you want to make a milkshake, you can use the pulp and blitz it up. Your milkshake will be ready. So serve it chilled. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like it, and do follow us on Facebook and Instagram too.